Okay, there's really only three tab-like things that I need to explain to you. Insert, I'm going to explain the insert menu. You can click on those by putting your mouse right on top and clicking on them. If I want to insert anything, and you can also get this through a left double click, but if I want to insert text box, image, embed, something from my drive, I can do that here at the top of the insert. This recently was just added, the layouts. If you want a specific layout for a new page, and you can learn more about that in the page tutorial, but I can start a new page and then select a layout of excuse me, each of those things. That's an option. Now we get down here and they try to give you some ideas of what you can insert, very simplified. You can insert a button and give it a name. Click here, which is something you're not really supposed to use anymore, and then I'll put that progress book link that I've been using all the way throughout here, and it gives you some little blue button, and I can pull it and make it bigger, smaller, and then if I want to edit the URL that's associated with it, or the text that's associated with it, I can click on that pencil, and then it's there. I can also put a divider in. That's kind of nice to show division between two sections. I can insert a YouTube video. This is the auto way of giving to insert things. It just kind of walks you through the steps of inserting specific things. So if I'm looking at a video I want to use, I can preview it here if I want to, and then hit select. And now it inserts that video right there directly from YouTube. I can also insert a calendar. It would go directly to my Google. This is actually the Webmaster Google site. It's going to go to the Google site that I'm logged into, and it's going to find any calendar associated with it. As soon as I don't want anything in there, I hit close. I can go to Docs. It'll find any docs that are within that Webmaster folder, and now I can, click on that, double click on that, and it'll put it within there. So that's a simplified way of inserting slides, sheets, docs, anything that you want to utilize on this website. Make sure that you do check how or what the permissions are. I do have a tutorial on the sharing and creating a shared link within Google for this as well, because everything should be shared to anyone with this link so that we don't have any errors or permission access problems with someone in the community clicking on a form. If they click on this form and you have not said that it's anyone with this link can have it, then there's going to be some errors, and actually this box is going to show up a big old error on the website. So all of these insert things will take you directly to your site, but not necessarily make sure that the shared options are perfect for that. Okay.